In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Calendly subscription. Following these steps will guide you through the process of downgrading to a free plan, ensuring that you are no longer billed for your current subscription. To begin, navigate to the admin center. You can find this option in the left sidebar of your Calendly dashboard, located near the bottom of the menu. Once you click on Admin Center, the screen will refresh to display various administrative options available to you. After entering the Admin Center, look for the Billing section. This may also be labeled as Plans and Billing depending on your version. Click on this option to proceed to the billing details of your account. The screen will show information related to your current subscription and payment details. Next, locate the Change Plan button on the billing page. By clicking on this button, you will see your current paid plan displayed prominently. This section provides a summary of your existing subscription, allowing you to review your current billing cycle and features. At this point, select the option to downgrade to a free plan. You will see a checkbox or a button indicating the free plan. Clicking on this option confirms your choice to switch to the free version of Calendly, which will remove any associated charges from your account. Finally, confirm your decision to downgrade by clicking on the Downgrade Cancel Subscription button. A confirmation message may appear, ensuring that you are aware of the changes being made. Once this step is completed, your subscription will be successfully cancelled and you will no longer incur charges. And that wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.